St. Francis Church in Fort Kochi, Kerala, is a historic Portuguese church with a rich history dating back to the early 16th century. It's one of the oldest European-built churches in India and a popular tourist attraction. Built by Portuguese Franciscan friars in 1503, the church was originally dedicated to Saint Anthony and made of wooden and bamboo structures. In the late 16th century, the church was rebuilt in stone and later renovated several times over the years. In 1779, the church was taken over by the British and used as a chapel. Today, St. Francis Church is a well-preserved historical site that attracts visitors from all over the world. Visitors can admire its stunning architectural style that blends Portuguese and Dutch influences, as well as its antique wooden pews and stained glass windows. The church is also famous for being the place where the Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama was buried before his remains were later taken back to Portugal. St. Francis Church is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in history, architecture, and religion. Come and discover this beautiful piece of Indian heritage.